The rest of y'all know where I'm lurking at. Can't none of y'all mirror me back. You'll hear me rappers like N.G. rapping his prime. I'm Young H.O., raps Grateful Dead. Back to take over the globe, now break bread. I'm in Boeing Jet, Slow Express. Out the country, but the blueberries still connect. On the low, but the yacht got a triple deck. But when you young, what the fuck you expect? Yep. Grand opening, grand closing. Goddamn your manhole, crack the can open again. Who you gonna find open in hand with no pen? Just draw inspiration. So you gonna see you can't replace him with cheap imitation. For these generations, encore. Do you want more? Cook and roll with the Brooklyn balls. So for one lifetime, I need y'all to roll. Can I get an encore? Do you want more? Cook and roll with the Brooklyn boys. So for one last time, I need y'all to roll. Now look what you made me do, look what I made for you. Knew if I paid my dues, how will they pay you? When you first come in the game, they try to play you. Then you drop a couple of hits, look how they wave to you. From Marcy to Madison Square, to the only thing that matters is just a matter of years. As fate would have it, J status appears to be at an all-time high.
Man down.
Perfect time to say goodbye. When I come back like Jordan, wearing the 4-5. It ain't to play games with you, it's to aim at you. Probably blame you. If I owe you, I'm blowing you to smithereens. Cocksucker, take one for your team. And I need you to remember one thing. I came, I saw, I conquered. Record sale, sold out concerts. So motherfucker, if you want this encore, I need you to scream till your lungs get sore.
It's star time. This man is mean. He's killing all y'all die turkeys. Y'all want more than Chicken Man? Well, if y'all want more than Chicken Man, then I need y'all to help me bring him back to the stage. Say ho. Come on, say it. Hold up, hold up. Are y'all out there? Are y'all out there? Come on, loud.